Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of us. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ian Huisang. My MPM is 1907100055. I'm from English for Specific Purpose Class E, and for the final exam, I will present my topic, which is Epic Game. But first of all, I would like to say thank you to Ms. Indika for giving me an opportunity to present my topic, and I also want to say thank you to everyone that have given me support and helped me during this final exam project. In this presentation, I will discuss about how can an epic game that will solve the problem faced by children in my community. Start by stating the problem that your community face, and then create a game that will help solve the existing problem. Explain the steps that the player should play, and how those steps will help them solve the problems. How can the player reach the epic win? How can my game change the world to become better? Explain and give clear example. This presentation will also divide into 3 parts. First is introduction, then discussion, followed by conclusion. Before we move into the main topic, let's take a brief explanation about what is a game. Game is an ensemble of activities where people, especially children, playing something to entertain themselves. Games can also be used as an educational tool where the children can having fun while learning something new. Games are divided into 2 kinds of games. First is traditional games and modern games. For the traditional games, usually more focused on physical items, for example like board games, chess, while modern games is digital games that mostly need a third-helping device like controller or smartphone. There are also many types of games, also such as RPG, puzzle, adventure, mini games, and etc. After we know what a game is, let's move into our main topic. The problem that mostly children face in my community, where doesn't have many friends, especially during this pandemic time, where the children cannot go out to interact with other children, to know each other, and their lack of confidence. They also hardly to communicate with other children, especially during this pandemic season, where the children has to take an online school, which will reduce their sociality life, that may lead to doesn't have many friends, or we can say it lonely, which will ruin their time during childhood. They also lack of confidence since no one supporting them, like friends, teacher, except their family. Therefore, I create a game that will solve the existing problem that has been said before. where the game will use a GPS system, which it will be used to find out other children that playing this game in the same region, so they can interact each other and become friends, and then build their confidence, because sometimes people need someone to support them to grow up. There are also a lot of features in this game. First is there will be a chatting system where they can be interact each other during the game. Second is public chat where the player, which is the children, will gather and then talk about some topic to spend their time. There's also mini games such as educational quiz and other kinds of mini games where the children can play the game with his new friend. In these mini games, the players can also be played with minimal 2 players and up to 8 players. In these mini games, the children can also gain a point, where this point will be used to reach the epic win, where it will be determined by the highest point between the players, where the step of player of playing this mini game. First is that they has to download the game. Second, turn on their GPS, and then choose a random game in this game I create, where the players will be randomized, but the player will still in the same region. They can also talk with other players to know each other, to increase their relationship and then become friend. This game can also build their bond, because in some games it needs teamwork, so this game can also help them to practice teamwork. My game can also help changing the world become better, because in this game will help the children to gain some friends, building their bond, teamwork, and experience, which will be mostly used in the future. Overall, game is an entertainment that people use. Games can be played in various ways and has many functions. Game can help people in different ways, such as educational tools, source of income, socialize, and etc., which can be used as a solution to solve problems like lonely and lack of confidence. Therefore, I create this game on purpose to help those children that doesn't have any friends and lack of confidence to build their social life, especially during this pandemic period where the children is harder to interact with new people, because if we want to interact with other people, we need a reason or a way to start the conversation with the people, with where this game is coming in handy. So we can conclude that game can change the world to become better. Well, that's all the conclusion from this topic. Sorry if there is a mispronunciation or a sentence that may offend you. Thank you for watching.